We've all been told the same lie since our first paycheck. Just save 10 to 20%, put it in a savings account, and one day you'll be wealthy. But let's be real, have you looked at the world lately? If you're working a 9 to 5 and just letting your money sit in a standard savings account, you're actually losing ground. Why? Inflation. In 2026, the price of living is moving way faster than your bank's interest rate. Saving protects your money for an emergency, but it doesn't build a future. Today, I want to show you how to stop playing defense and start playing offense, all while keeping your 9 to 5. The first step isn't looking at the stock market. It's looking at your primary income source. Your 9 to 5 is your biggest investor. It's the seed money for everything else. But to get more seed money, you need to increase your value. Now, I'm not going to tell you to learn a specific tech skill or a trade, because every office is different. Instead, I want you to consider the specific skills that can increase your income when implemented within your current role. Look for the bottlenecks in your department. Is there a process you can automate? A problem you can solve that no one else wants to touch? When you become the person who brings more value to the table, you gain the leverage to ask for a raise. That extra income isn't for a lifestyle upgrade. It's the fuel for your wealth system. Now let's talk about systems. A system is a machine that makes money whether you're at your desk or asleep. Since you have a 9 to 5, you don't have time to grind 24/7. You need your money to work as hard as you do. For a 9 to 5 worker, this looks like two things. Asset investing. This is the most hands-off system. Whether it's real estate, index funds, or even automated portfolios. You set up a pay-yourself-first system where money moves from your paycheck to an asset automatically. Automated income. We're in the age of digital leverage. Maybe it's a digital product based on your professional expertise or a business that runs on software. The goal is to build something that generates income even when you aren't present. A lot of people say you have to quit your job to be wealthy. I actually think keeping your 9 to 5 is a cheat code. It gives you stability. You aren't investing out of desperation to pay next month's rent. You're investing for the long term. That's how real wealth is built, with patience and a steady cash flow. If you're ready to stop just surviving and start building a system that lasts, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be diving deeper into specific assets in my next few videos. Drop a comment below. What's one area in your current job where you think you could add more value? I'll be checking the comments to see your ideas. See you in the next one.